Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Veronica and I'm a big lover of makeup, so if you want to see more reviews, looks and more fun videos, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video we are talking about the plan to pan for 2024, so if you're curious about that, please keep on watching. First things first, I need to assess the situation. I really love this look, it's very dark and dramatic. I will link down below everything that I have on. I want to suggest this look for a Halloween look because I'm not the best at doing drawing, special effects kind of makeup. So I want to suggest you something a bit more attainable in my opinion. If you are going to a work event or something like that, I think this kind of look is perfect for that, for Halloween. But of course, if you are really good at special effect makeup, that is beautiful and very unique as well. Let's talk about the plan to pan because I want to film the video right now. I am very excited about this. I will talk about the update to the plan to pan that I filmed 7 months ago or something like that, and we will talk about my plans for 2024 because for sure I will do a project pan next year as well. Of course, the project pan for this year is not done yet, but I'm kinda able to approximate these numbers and what will be done. So let's start with primers. I said in February in the last update that this year I will finish 3. I finished the Olehenriksen one and the Hello Good Stuff, so 2 primers already done. And right now we have in the project pan the Hollywood Flawless filter, and I said that I want to finish this one as well. I think it is possible for me to finish it up, so that is attainable. And for the next year I think I will finish 2 primers, and these 2 are the ones that I would like to focus on and I would like to finish. The first one is a Supergoop Glow Screen. This one is a SPF with some glowy particles in it, and then I have the Rare Beauty Illuminating Primer. I did finish one of these in 2021, I think, so I know that this is pretty easy for me to finish, but this one is not my favorite, so I think I will struggle a bit. But both of these are minis, so I am 90% sure that I will be able to finish these 2, and maybe something else, I don't know, but this is what I want to pan next year. And if I will not be done with this one this year, I will finish these 3 in 2024. For foundation, I said my plan is 3 foundations to finish. I finished 2, and right now I have the Born to Glow in the project pan. I don't think I will be able to finish this one in the next 2 months, so this is not the best, but I will do a really good progress on it, so I will finish it in 2024. So for 2024 I want to say 3 foundations as well. If I will not finish this one in 2023, I will finish it in 2024, and I want as well to finish these 2. So I think it is possible for me to finish these 3 in 2024. This is the Purito Cica Clearing BB Cream, and usually what I do is I mix this one with the Dust of Colors Meteor Hue foundation. This one is just a bit too yellow. I picked the 104 Fair shade, and that is way too yellow for me, so I am mixing it with this one. And actually today I mixed it in this one with the Glow Screen, and this is usually peeling on me, so I need to make an effort to use this one, but I think these 2 together will work pretty good, so that is what I want to do. For concealer, I said that I want to finish 3 concealers, and I already did that, which is great. I finished the Sigma corrector. I put the corrector in the category of concealer as well. This is done, and then I finished these 2 as well. This is the NYX Bear With Me concealer, and I have the Catrice True Skin as well. These are done. So 3 concealers. I am very happy about this category. For 2024, I think I will finish two concealers, and that is, I want to focus on this one. This is the Born This Way from Too Faced. This is a mini, but right now, with the formulas that are available right now, this is not my favorite concealer anymore. It was at some point. It is a good concealer, but right now it's just a bit too thick. It stays in one place. The shade Snow that I have is a bit too light for me right now, but I am sure that in January or February this will be more than perfect for me, because I will not have any tan left. So I think I will be able to finish this one, and I said here something else. So two concealers, this one and another one. I don't care which one. I don't have a big dip in any other concealer, so that's the reason I said only two for next year. For powder, I said that I will be able to finish the LYS one as well as the Fit Me from Maybelline. That one is done, but I don't think I will finish the LYS this year. So because of that, I think I will finish it next year in 2024, probably by the end of February or something like that. This will be done. So because of that, I will be bold again, and I will say that I'm gonna finish the Nabla powder as well. For bronzer, I said that I will be able to finish the Rare Beauty one, and I did. So that was a really good assumption for this category. And what I think I'm gonna do for next year is finish. I am sure I want to finish. I have some products, I have two products that I want with a passion to finish next year, and it is this one. I don't think I will be able to finish it this year. It is in the project man right now, but next year I am finishing this one. It's my top priority in the bronzer category. I will finish it next year. And what I think I will do as well is hit pan on another bronzer, but a cream one. So that is my plan for 2024. Finish the Essence bronzer and hit pan on one cream bronzer that I have. For blush, I did a very interesting assumption. I said that I will finish the Fenty cream blush. I already knew that that was a very easy thing to do, so I did finish this blush. But then I said that I will make a big dip or something in another blush, and I did. So that is very nice. Usually I don't finish blushes. Blush is a very hard category to finish or hit pan even, but with cream blushes it's just a bit easier. So I did a big dip in the Melt one. This one is in the project pan right now, and for 2024 I will finish this one. It's again top priority, and it is a small, very small and slim chance to finish this one this year, but I just don't think so. So I am pretty confident that I will finish this one in 2024, and then I have my plan to hit pan on something else. I would really like to hit pan on a powder blush. That would be amazing. So that is my goal. That is my plan. I want to hit pan on another blush. I don't know which one. I will see next year, but I really want to do that. For highlighter, I said that in 2023 I will finish the Wet n Wild, and this year I did a big progress on it. I have just a small amount around the corner, but I didn't put this highlighter again in the project pan, so I didn't finish it. But this one and the Essence, these two, these are high priority on my list. Next year I want to finish them up. I will in 2024 I will finish this highlighter up. I really don't like this packaging, and it's very old, so I will finish it up. It is a beautiful highlighter. I will finish it up. It is in my plan to pen. Next I have lipstick, and in the last update I said that I don't think I will finish any lipstick, and that was true, because it is very hard to finish a whole lipstick. But for 2024 I have a plan. I will finish this one. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk, and look how tiny it is. I used it a bunch this year. I really like it. I understand the hype. This is a beautiful packaging. This shade is so flattering. I understand. I really understand the hype. So I will finish. I will put it in the project pen in January, and I will use it until it's done. So maybe it will take 9 months, 10 months, the whole year, I don't know, but I will finish this one in 2024. That is my goal. So that is with lipstick, and I have in here lip gloss as well, which is a very interesting category, because I have the video with how many products did I finish in a year. I will film that one in December, because I want to have all my empties. I finished this year some lip glosses in my everyday. This is taking me so much time to finish, so I said in the beginning that I will finish 6 lip glosses this year, and in the project pen, only in the project pen, I finished 2, which is 2, and I said 6. That is just a big difference. But I think I finished 2 others or 3 other lip glosses in my empties. I'm putting a number of 4 lip glosses for 2024. Just to be a bit more realistic, last year I finished a bunch of lip glosses, like 8 or something, but apparently this year it's a bit harder. So for next year I will be a bit more realistic, and I will pick 4 glosses for my plan to pen. I didn't pick any specific product, but 4 glosses in general. And lastly, we have the category of eyeshadows, and in here I think I am the most unrealistic, but I just want to challenge myself a bit, and just how I feel right now, I just want to challenge myself, and we will see. This plan to pen video is just for fun, so if I'm not doing the best job, I am learning stuff. For example, the thing with the lip gloss, it surprises me, because like I said, last year I finished like 8 in the project pen, and this year 2. That is a big difference. So for eyeshadows, in the last update I said like no plan, because I didn't consider eyeshadows in my project pen. But right now, if you are watching my low buys, I said that I want to hit pen on 2 eyeshadows, and then I will be able to purchase another palette or something like that, because I have right now 0 pens in my collection, and I'm buying palettes and I'm not using the palette that I already have. I have too many eyeshadows, and I want to use the ones that I have already, not purchase something new each month or every 2 months or something like that. So I'll be very bold, and I'm gonna say that in 2024 my goal, or what I want, or what I hope, or whatever, is to hit pen on 10. So that is what I hope for. I don't know, I don't want to be disappointed, so I'm just throwing away a number, 10 eyeshadows. If it is a shimmer shadow, that is totally okay, because usually those are a bit more creamy, so you can move them around a bit. That is kind of cheating a bit, but I don't care. I don't even have that in my collection right now. I don't have a pen in a shimmery shadow, so anything, I will take anything. 10 pens, that is what I want, and we will see next year how these approximations and how I'm doing. I am very excited. I really like project penning is very fun for me. Just finishing products is just very fun. I really enjoy using the products that I already have and the products that are really great. So I really enjoy talking about the products that are amazing and what I want to finish. So if you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.